Welcome! This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable, washable booties for residential contractors, designed with a grip you can count on. If you're considering starting a career or business in pest control in the state of South Carolina, obtaining the proper pesticide certification and licensing is a critical first step. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about becoming licensed in South Carolina, including the types of licenses available, their requirements, fees, examination details, and how to prepare. Let's dive right in. In South Carolina, pesticide licensing and regulation are administered by Clemson University through the Department of Pesticide Regulation, commonly known as DPR. The Department of Pesticide Regulation oversees commercial pesticide applicator licensing, technician training, certification examinations, business licensing, continuing education, inspections, and enforcement of South Carolina's pesticide laws. South Carolina divides commercial pesticide applications into several certification categories based on the type of work being performed. The category most commonly associated with residential and commercial pest management is Category 7A, Industrial, Institutional, Structural, and Health-Related Pest Control. This category includes the control of ants, cockroaches, spiders, rodents, bedbugs, fleas, pantry pests, and other common structural pests found in homes, businesses, schools, hospitals, and industrial facilities. Additional structural pest management categories include Category 7B, Wood-Destroying Organism Pest Control, which covers termite and other wood-destroying organism treatments, and Category 7C, Fumigation, for applicators performing structural fumigation. South Carolina also offers numerous additional categories for other specialized pesticide applications. Individuals entering the industry typically begin as commercial pesticide technicians. Before they may apply pesticides, they must complete Clemson University's Verifiable Technician Training Program. This serves as South Carolina's entry-level credential and allows technicians to perform pesticide applications while working under the direct supervision of a licensed commercial pesticide applicator employed by the same company. Unlike many states, South Carolina does not require entry-level technicians to pass a state licensing examination. Beginning in 2025, Verifiable Technician Training transitioned to an online training platform administered through Metro Institute. The initial training currently costs $50 and consists of 10 online instructional modules, followed by a 20-question knowledge check. Technicians must complete the entire program within 15 days of enrollment before performing pesticide application duties. The Verifiable Technician Training Program covers pesticide laws and regulations, pesticide labels and labeling, integrated pest management, pesticide safety, environmental protection, personal protective equipment, application equipment, pesticide mixing and loading procedures, spill response, storage and transportation requirements, emergency procedures, and proper pesticide handling practices. After successfully completing the training, technicians receive a Verifiable Technician Identification Card through their Metro Institute account. Annual refresher training is required every year thereafter. Refresher training is completed online through Metro Institute and currently does not require an examination or an additional training fee. Although verifiable technicians may apply pesticides under supervision, they may not independently supervise pesticide operations, qualify a business for licensing, or serve as the responsible certified applicator for regulatory compliance. The commercial pesticide applicator license represents the next level of certification and allows an individual to independently perform pesticide applications within the categories in which they are certified. To become licensed as a commercial pesticide applicator, applicants must pass both the South Carolina Core Examination and at least one category examination corresponding to the type of work they intend to perform. Certification examinations are administered through Metro Institute on behalf of Clemson University's Department of Pesticide Regulation. Applicants begin the process by submitting an online examination registration application through Metro Institute. After the department approves the application, applicants receive a testing identification number by email, allowing them to schedule their examinations at an approved testing center. The South Carolina Core Examination currently costs $75. While each category examination costs $50. The core examination evaluates an applicant's knowledge of pesticide laws and regulations, pesticide labels and labeling, integrated pest management, pesticide safety, environmental protection, application equipment, pesticide storage, transportation requirements, personal protective equipment, and proper pesticide handling procedures. Category examinations focus on the specific knowledge required for each certification category, including pest identification, treatment methods, pesticide selection, application techniques, equipment calibration, and category-specific laws and regulations. The examinations are computer-based exams administered by Metro Institute testing centers throughout South Carolina. The core examination consists of approximately 70 questions, while each category examination contains approximately 30 questions. Applicants must achieve a minimum passing score of 70% on both examinations. After successfully passing the required examinations, applicants submit a commercial pesticide license application, an evidence of financial responsibility form completed by their insurance carrier, and the $50 commercial license fee to Clemson University's Department of Pesticide Regulation. Commercial applicators may supervise verifiable technicians, purchase and apply restricted-use pesticides within their certified categories, and independently perform pesticide applications for compensation. South Carolina requires every Category 7A pest control business to employ a designated certified applicator, commonly known as a DCA, at each business location. To qualify as a DCA, an individual must already hold a commercial pesticide applicator license and demonstrate either 2 years of verifiable pest control experience or possession of a 4-year degree from an accredited college or university in lieu of the experience requirement. Businesses must also obtain a Category 7A pesticide business license through Clemson University's Department of Pesticide Regulation. The initial business license fee is currently $150. The designated certified applicator designation requires an additional $50 application fee. Commercial applicator licenses must be renewed annually. Applicators must also maintain the required continuing education credits during each recertification cycle established by Clemson University in order to keep their certifications active. Preparing for the South Carolina certification examinations requires careful study. Applicants should begin by obtaining the Clemson University Core Manual and the appropriate category manual for the certification they intend to pursue. These manuals cover pesticide laws, pesticide labels, integrated pest management, environmental protection, application equipment, safety procedures, and category-specific treatment practices. Clemson University also offers online commercial applicator exam preparation courses that include instructional videos, practice quizzes, and full-length practice examinations. Although these review courses are optional, many applicants find them helpful when preparing for the state certification exams. For the most current licensing information, examination schedules, study materials, and application forms, please visit Clemson University's Department of Pesticide Regulation website. The links are provided in the description below. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to check out our other videos, where we provide valuable tips to help you grow your contractor business.